Let's become one with the true mother. She's the only begotten daughter, the substantial Holy Spirit. That shed tears and locked us together. With Heavenly Mother here on earth is the beacon of a blessing. We must live in total unity, one in heart, in action, and in will, with Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand. We will unite absolutely with the only begotten Dauther, our true mother. We will not keep Heavenly Parent waiting any longer. We will not leave our true mother alone anymore. While true mother is still on earth, we will guide at least 1/3 of humanity to Heavenly Parents. No matter how difficult the path, we will never abandon the paradise until the victory is achieved. With Holy Mother hand. Let's unite, let's unite, let's unite, let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Yeah, let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand, with Holy Mother hand. Yeah, let's unite with Holy Mother hand. Let's unite with Holy Mother hand, with Holy Mother hand. Adieu.